I'm Lawrence Fridagakis. I'm 25 years old, and yeah, that's my story. Then when I moved to Arkansas, I had to drive 45 minutes away so no one knew that I could dance, because if I did, I would have gotten made fun of. See, every dance move I do, I want to give. I'm giving you something. And I always try to teach that to all my dancers, is that when you dance, you need to give. Listen, you are my son. The way I teach, it's so different than any other teacher. I try to get on their level and try to make them feel that they can do anything that they want. You should be whoever you want to be. It doesn't matter what race, if you're purple, green, it doesn't matter who you love, it's just as long as you can be yourself. But I know that there comes a time when there's an end, and there's a time to pass on.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Your wisdom, your guidance that you've given to others. And I feel like if someone else passes it on and changes their ways and wants to be a dancer, then that's just what I've done. I've just impacted that one person to be the better dancer they are. Tell me things that you